Deception, meaning explained in detail. Deception means making someone believe something that is not true. It is done by lying or hiding the truth. In simple words, deception equals trick or lie to fool someone. Easy explanation. When a person uses deception, they do not tell the truth. Deception can be used to cheat someone, hide a mistake, get an unfair advantage. Deception usually causes loss of trust. Very easy examples with explanation. He used deception to win the game. Story was full of deception. More simple example sentences. Deception can hurt relationships. The thief used deception to escape. Lying is a form of deception. Daily life examples. Fake news is a type of deception. Scams work through deception. Honesty is better than deception. Student sentence. The magician's trick was a fun deception. Easy memory trick. Deception equals lie or trick.